Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. Today we're taking a look at this 2012 Honda Goldwing 1800 Deluxe with 4,632 miles. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder boxer engine with a 5-speed transmission, the Goldwing puts out 104 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 110 foot-pounds of torque at 4,100 RPM. It has a seat height of 28.5 inches and a curb weight of 1,251 pounds including the trike kit. This bike comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, reverse, navigation, and heated grips, as well as heated seats and CB intercom hookups. It has been upgraded with a California SIDECAR Viper trike kit and an engine guard. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.